There's nothing like the feeling of freedom on the open road. 1 second you're lost in the moment, taking in the ride, then the next, tragedy can strike. All it takes is for one driver, 1 second, to simply look away, to forever change your life. Our team knows in a motorcycle accident, the injuries are often severe and the stakes are high. We know how to fight the insurance companies, counter their moves, and get the money you deserve. And when we fight for our clients, we fight to win. Hurt in a car? Call KNR.